Hi there, and I'm back with long-awaited video tutorial, Complete Guide to Fine Art Portraits. What it takes, guys, to achieve the painterly effect in photography. I'm going to do a lot of talking in this video to walk you through the theory of this kind of style. So if you listen to my blabbering till the end, it may turn out very beneficial for you. I have started my photography career with painterly portraits, and I found it the easiest style in fact, and you will quickly understand why. First of all, you don't have to actually paint. No canvas, no colors, no brushes, no multiple sessions with model. All you need is your digital camera and Photoshop. So let's begin and break this down. I'd like to have a couple of words about the type of models. Unfortunately, not everyone is suitable for this kind of portraits. I had a couple of clients back then who came and said, I want to look like Mona Lisa. And I couldn't pull it through because, the tattooed eyebrows and excessive fillers in the lips, which is like modern days Mona Lisa. It's not something for Renaissance type, of women. Look at them; they are so natural. In fact, Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. If you look at this references, what I prepared for you, the Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. She's got thin lips, and everything is super natural. So, not with everyone you can pull it, but I hope with majority of your clients. So let's begin with our complete guide to fine art portraits. So the step number 1 is to study old masters painting. No need to go to the museums, just Google old masters portrait paintings and you will get plenty of references. So you can screenshot them and keep as references on your mobile device. Analyze the colors, poses, framing, lights and mood. And here we come to the step number 2 is lighting. You can use just a single light source, large softbox or a big window. You see, there never rim lights in the old master paintings, so almost always it's just nice soft lighting 45 degrees from the model. So you are good to go with the large one light source. It can be softbox or it can be just a nice big window. Now the step number 3. I guess it's again come back to the same image and it's about the posing. Okay? And that's the simplest part for me. Just ask your model, sit, relax, and stare at your camera. No monkey business, no fake movements. If the model is uncomfortable with her hands, as many do actually, give her a prop, something like a book, a flower, or an animal, like the reference on the screen in front of you. So, to be serious, it really doesn't take much. Just ask her to relax and stare at you. A little bit dull expression is exactly what you need. It's gonna be really meaningful on the picture because camera senses fake movements, fake expressions. So trust me, just ask her to sit and stare at you. Do nothing. And now the step number 4. What to wear? Okay, so if you don't have Renaissance time costume, no worries. You can go to AliExpress and it offers you plenty of vintage looking clothes at affordable price. You can see the cotton, linen fabrics with lace work is just what you need. Lace give that kind of vintage look to your picture. And I prefer actually neutral colors, white, black, something which doesn't take the viewer's attention away from the model's face. Or else I often use just a piece of fabric wrapped around the model's shoulders, which I'm going to show you in one of my portraits. I come back here just for a moment, and you can see you may not have, you know, like costumes on her, so no worries. I'm gonna open now one of my images. So here you go, and you can see I just wrapped around something around her shoulders. Very simple flowing hair, no makeup, almost no makeup, or makeup that is very natural. Then you're good to go. So to give this kind of colors, again I repeat, if you analyze the painting of old masters, you will see a lot of brown tones, a lot of greenish and yellowish. So all you need to go is to find your white balance and shift your temperature towards yellow and tint towards green. So you get that kind of nice old vintage look. And open and Photoshop. So now about the last part here, I have already video, I've created a video, is the texture. If you have a nice hand painted canvas, then it's alright, you can just shoot against of it and you don't need to worry about digital canvas. But if you don't, it's alright, you can just shoot against of black cloth and just put, or some any other dark color cloth, and just put on top the digital texture. How to apply a digital texture on top of your photo, I have a video on that subject, and you will get the link down there in comments below. So I hope this short video will be very helpful for you, because I'm talking based on my own experience, and I'm happy to share with you guys. And if you have any more questions, please write down there in comments below. And thank you for watching. And subscribe if you would like to receive more easy videos from me. Bye bye.